Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Blogger. Once signed in, click Create New Blog and enter a clear title and short URL handle. This becomes your blog address. Make sure the URL is unique and readable. Choose a starter template so you can publish quickly. Don't worry about perfect styling now. Next, confirm your profile settings and privacy options. These steps get your blog live. They also lay the foundation for organization and discoverability as you continue. Once your blog exists, configure its structure to guide readers. You add pages like About and Contact and then set labels to organize content. Labels improve navigation and SEO. Make layout changes. Drag header, sidebar, and footer elements, and add useful gadgets like search, archive, and follow. When creating your first post, craft a concise title, write clear body copy, attach a feature image, assign relevant labels, and either publish or schedule for a strategic time. These steps make your blog usable and ready for growth. You finish by polishing appearance and launching. Customize fonts, colors, and the mobile view. Always preview changes before saving so layout stays responsive. If you want a custom domain, follow Blogger's instructions and enable HTTPS for security, then test every link and form. If something breaks, clear your browser cache, review template permissions, and revert to the previous theme if needed. One key tip: if posts disappear, check your draft list and user permissions before republishing to avoid duplicate content or data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.